This week's video is aimed specifically at doctors, GPs, locums, hospital consultants, those people affected by the so-called annual allowance tax charge. This is the arbitrary ceiling imposed on the tax relief that you can get on your superannuation contributions, brought in by the government several years ago, but only really now starting to bite a vast number of doctors. Essentially, if you breach this annual allowance threshold, you will be subject to tax. Through no fault of your own, you are mandated to put in a certain amount into your pension. But if your pension pot grows beyond a certain amount each year, you have to pay tax. This is known as the annual allowance. Currently stands at £40,000. However, many doctors are breaching this through growth in the NHS pension scheme pots, whether you're in the 95, 2008 or 2015 scheme. Many people think that the limit is 40,000 and that they are comfortably within that limit. However, higher earners have what's known as a tapered annual allowance limit, where in some cases the limit drops as low as £10,000. So, many thousands of doctors are being affected by this annual allowance charge. The question is, what can you do if you are one of them? Well, if you get hit by this onerous tax charge, there are two ways to pay it. Firstly, through the NHS pension scheme itself, known as scheme pays, which basically means that you receive a smaller pension in the future because the difference is used to pay the tax bill. Or the second alternative is to pay the tax now via the self-assessment mechanism. In other words, through your next tax return. So at Henton's we have a specialist in-house advisor who specialises in the NHS pension scheme, who can guide you through the intricacies and the options that are available to you. So please do get in touch with me, simon@hentons.com, and we can discuss further. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Can you edit that?